Hi everyone, and welcome to a tutorial video that will show you how to install DeepSeek on your MacBook computers as a standalone application. You've probably heard of DeepSeek by now. DeepSeek is a powerful AI tool that is supposedly better than ChatGPT. I've tested it, it's great, and I recommend it. Now, first thing you do, you go to deepseek.com. It should take you to this landing page, and then you click on Start Now, just on the home page. When you click on Start Now, it will take you to DeepSeek, and from there you will be able to install it on your computer. Now make sure you have created an account. If not, create an account today to continue this process. Now next thing, you click on the three dots at the top right, then you click on Cast, Save and Share, and Install Page as App. So it's going to install, and you will have DeepSeek on your home screen. One thing you can do is you right click on the DeepSeek icon on the bottom right here, you click on Options and Keep in Dock. So what's going to happen, you will have it handy whenever you log into your computer.
All right, guys, what did you think of this course? You liked it? Great. We're glad you did. You can follow us on all our social media platforms, including YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. And don't forget, we also have these awesome Amazon flashcards to help you study. So definitely check out www.cybermook.com to order yours today.